Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, network and device state. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data actually has internet. You can load a simple web page to verify. Once done, toggle airplane mode off and on to reset radios, and then restart the device so cache is clear. Also check date and time. If incorrect, secure connections can fail. Doing these steps quickly rules out most transient issues and prepares you for deeper fixes. Next, you focus on network and account state because those often block the App Store. Forget the problematic Wi-Fi and rejoin or switch to cellular to isolate the connection. If that fails, reset network settings to restore default DNS and routing. This often resolves hidden conflicts. Then sign out of your App Store account, wait a minute, and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. These steps address DNS, cache, and credential problems. Finally, apply advanced remedies to close the case. Update the operating system and any carrier settings because mismatched security fixes can block store connections. Once updated, reboot again. If your ISP is interfering, switch to a public DNS like 8 or try a trustworthy VPN to bypass filters. If you still cannot connect, gather error messages and device logs and contact support so they can trace the handshakes. Troubleshooting tip: test with a different network or device to isolate account versus device issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.